grinding disc fail. Jesus. Yo guys, today's video, as you can probably guess, lots more cutting. Cuttity cut. Lots of cutting indeed. So yeah, let's get cracking with it. If you like these videos, remember to give me a like and subscribe down below. It helps the channel with the algorithm and all that magical jazz. Let's get on with it. Oh yeah, and first things first, safety first. So first things first in here, we need to remove this ducting. I mean, already come out here. I mean, it's ripped off actually. Lovely. Feeling free. Whew. I imagine. Yeah, there we go. Lovely. In the jump pile. Oh, we need to get a drill on this. What is this? Definitely like a sheet of metal. It might be original, I'm not quite sure. Probably a bit of rust treatment in here and maybe a little plate. Apologies if I'm muffly because, you know, safety. As you can see where the indicators go in, there's no way in hell I'm undoing these bolts. Not likely, I think it's going to snap off. So what I'm probably going to do is just cut it down here and then worry about it later. Cut this cross member up first and we'll worry about the rest after. So down here and down there. Metal. Quite way to do this would be to try and cut down this seam. How easy is that going to be today though? Or to unscrew these? That's not going to part though, is it? I'd probably run a grinder down here. Break this like seam weld. It's weird that the screw is here. They're not on this side though. In fact, there's a hole. That's strange. Never seen this before in a minute. Very unusual. Anyone know what that's for? Comment section it. Pretty cool. Okay, looks like we're going to have to cut under. We're going to have to cut like here, I think. Something like the subframe actually. Yeah, no, so on the inside edge of this. That's what we're looking like right now. We'll do the same on this side. We might probably just brute force most of this off. It's all going anyway, so yeah, let's see. So I'll do the same on this side, cut it down. Can't see enough in here. Oh god, look at all this debris. Rim. It's off fire hazard, so I have to sweep that out of the way. I mean, ideally the best way would be to remove this bolt here. Can you see it? We'll see if I can get that off. It should hopefully free this all up, so we'll see if we can do that. We get a slit on the inside of here. You're coming off, friend. You are coming off. Out. Voila. We are slowly getting there. Jeez. Access to the bolts now, finally. Okay. We'll just friggin' go for it and cut the inner bloody wing out. Straight down. God help me. That's what happened. Running just fail. Jesus. This is hard work. He ain't coming off, is he? I need to get that bolt out. The problem with this is there's a bloody bunch of rubber in here, look, from this old bush. It just not giving me access to this bolt. I wonder if I mean, burning it out would be ideal, but not in a little garage like this. So we can cut it enough to get a ratchet on it. Whew. There we go, finally. What a nightmare. So we're going to try and maybe salvage the indicators or just get new ones, but I'm knackered. Here we go, to the pile of crap. You go. Still got that side to do, but look at the progress. He's getting there. Whole front now, much better. This can happen the same on the other side. Like I said, these probably go a bit shorter. But remember to take my little indication badge off the inside of that wing. We'll do that later. Same on this side, so it's going to be cut down somewhat similar. A lot easier, a lot less metal. We'll probably do that in a minute. And I'll come back to it at the end. So let's rinse and repeat this one, undoing this bolt, and the whole lot should fall off. We'll look at the end. So we're pretty much, it's taken a whole episode to do this, but it is complete so far. Check it out. Look at it like this. Whole front end is properly removed. It was kind of a fake video last time, I guess, because I didn't fully do it, but now it pretty much is. So these inner wings are going to be probably cut back to about here. You only have to leave a little bit for that. Obviously the flip front end is going to go on here. Oops. Yeah, there's a lot moved. Whew, this has been hard work today. Obviously next is going to be cleaning and cutting out that on the inside. Yeah, if you do like these videos, remember to keep subscribing below. Give us a like. We're getting to the hard part soon, which is going to be getting the welder down here. It's going to happen. I know I said that last episode, but it's going to happen at some point. We got a big job done there. Look at that. Pretty happy.